How to update TikTok on Android. So if you want to update TikTok application on your Android device, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I am at this section of TikTok. So in order to update your TikTok, you just can go for Google Play Store. So simply open up to Google Play Store over here. And you have to tap on the search bar and search for TikTok directly. So when you search for that, you will be easily able to see the search results like this. So right now my TikTok is up to date and no any updates are available. If there are any updates, then you will be able to see the update option instead of open, and you just have to tap over there and it will be updated easily. It will just take a few time to update. You just can wait for a while. Once it's updated, you'll be able to use the new features of TikTok, which will be helpful for you to make TikTok videos and also view the TikTok videos on TikTok. So the new updates will add new features on TikTok. So this is how easily you can update TikTok on Android. So I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.